Very good morning, my dear student. In the last class, we have discussed the basic terminology related to polynomials. And first, we have discussed what is polynomial. It is algebraic expression which includes real numbers and variables. And then we have discussed monomial, binomial, and polynomial. Monomial, the polynomial which contains exactly one term, and binomial which contain two terms, and polynomial which contain more than one term. And then we have discussed what are the conditions for the polynomial. First condition was that power of variable should be a whole number, and second, there will be no square root, or in the denominator the variable will not be in the denominator and not in square root. And the third, the variable will be only in addition form, subtraction and multiplication, means it will not be in the denominator. And then we have discussed what is the degree. The degree is the highest power of any variable, say x or y, in any polynomial. And on the basis of degree, we have discussed four types of polynomial. First is constant polynomial, means the polynomial whose degree is 0. And for linear polynomial, degree will be 1. And similarly for quadratic, degree will be 2. And for cubic, the degree will be 3. And 0 is a zero polynomial. 0 is known as zero polynomial. And today we will discuss zeros and the value of polynomial. Value of polynomial and zeros of polynomial. So, what is the meaning of value? Value of polynomial means if in any polynomial we replace the variable x with any real number, say k, then the value, the real number which we obtain by replacing the x with k, this number is known as value of polynomial. Means if I replace a polynomial with k, so let k is my 2. If I replace x with 2, then the value which I will get is known as value of polynomial. For example, in this question we have to find the value of this polynomial. This is my polynomial at x equal to, means my k is 2 here, and this is denoted as, polynomial is denoted as p of x and the value is denoted as p of k. So here I will find the value at x equals 2, means k is 2. So this can be written as p of 2 or f of 2. Both are the same thing. F of 2 means functions at 2, or p of 2 means polynomial at 2. Now replace this x, my dear student, replace this x with this k. Here the k is 2, so replace x with 2. This will become 2 square plus 11 into x, means 11 into 2 and minus 6 as it is. Now solve. 2 square means 4 plus 11 into 2, 22, minus 6. This will become 4 plus 22, that is 26, minus 6, 20. This 20 is the value of that polynomial, say x square plus 11x minus 6 at x equals 2. Only place the variable x with the real number k at which you want to find the value. Now, what is the meaning of zero of polynomial? In the last slide, in the previous slide, we have discussed value of polynomial. Means if the value is 0, if any polynomial having value 0, then that value of x at which the polynomial gives value 0 is known as 0 of the polynomial. A real number k is a 0 of the polynomial if fk or p of k equals 0. Means अगर value 0 है तो जिस वैल्यू पे, जिस x की वैल्यू पे पूरी पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू 0 आती है उसको क्या बोला जाता है? जीरोस ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. दिस इज जीरोस ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. Now to find zero of the polynomial, we will put the polynomial equals 0 and solve for x. For example, if k is a zero of the polynomial, means I have to find the value of k for the this. If k is a zero, means if I replace x with k, then the value of this polynomial will be 0. अगर मैं इस x को k के साथ रिप्लेस करता हूं और ये k 0 है, तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि ये जो पॉलिनोमियल है इसकी वैल्यू कितनी आनी चाहिए? 0 आनी चाहिए k पे. सो replace x with k and put equals 0. Now this will become 2k plus 6 equals 0 and k will be minus 3. On solving, we will get k equals minus 3. Now our first question is find the value of the polynomial this at x equals minus 1. And you know, to find the value of polynomial, we will replace this x, this variable with this minus 1. Now my polynomial is, to find the value of polynomial, replace x with minus 1, and my polynomial is this, and if I replace x with minus 1, this will become 5 into x and x will become minus 1, minus 4 into minus 1 whole square plus 3, and this will become minus 5, and minus 1 whole square is plus 1, and plus 1 into minus 4 is minus 4 plus 3, and on solving we will get minus 6. This is the value of that polynomial at x equals minus 1. Now find p of 2 for this. This means find the value of the polynomial at x equals 2. This p of 2 means find the value of the polynomial at x equals 2. So p of x is, my polynomial is x minus 1 into x plus 1, and p of 2 will be replacing x with 2. We will get 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1, and 2 minus 1 is 1 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So this will become 3. And this 3 is the p of 2. This 3 is p of 2, means the value of the polynomial at x equals 2. Now verify whether these are the zeros of this. And you know that the definition of 0 is any value or any real number at which the value is 0. Value of the polynomial is 0. So we will check that p of minus 1 and p of 1 is 0 or not. If these are zeros, then the p of minus 1 and p of 1 will be 0. Now if x minus 1 and 1 are the zeros of this, then the value of polynomial at x minus 1 and 1 will be 0. So first check minus 1. P of x is x square minus 1, and p of minus 1 will, replacing x with minus 1, we will get minus 1 whole square minus 1, and this will be minus 1 minus plus 1 minus 1, and this is 0. So p of minus 1 is 0. So this p of minus 1 is 0 of this. Now check x equals 1. Same, replace x with 1, we will get 1 square minus 1, and this will equals 1 minus 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So both are the zeros of the polynomial. If this is not, if this comes not equals to 0, then we said that these are not zeros of the polynomial. If either of the one is come equals 0 and other is not equal 0, then we said that one is 0 and other is not a 0. Now exercise 2.2, first question is find the value of the polynomial this, and to find the value we will replace, for first part we will replace x with 0, and this will become 0 0, and the value will become 3, and this we have already discussed. and you will solve this. Now find P0, P1 and P2 for each of the following. For P0 you will replace y with 0, and for P1 you will replace y with 1, and then for P2 you will replace y with 2, and solve the values and find the values. Now third question is verify whether the following are the zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. For this you have to check x equals minus 1 by 3 is a 0 or not. If this will be 0, then the value at x equal to minus 3 will be 0. And in the fourth question, find the zero of the polynomial. For this you will simply put this equals 0 and find the value of x. Now if I put x plus 5 equals 0, I will get x equals minus 5, and minus 5 is the zero of the polynomial. Okay student, thank you and have a nice day.